Hello everyone, my name is Medet and today I'm going to talk about setting up and configuring an encrypted browsing technique that you can use when you are not at home but still you are worried about your private and personal data. For example, when you are using public internet, public network in McDonald's or let's say Starbucks, anyone on that network can see what you're doing and see your personal data. Even they can hack your devices and get your personal data. So for that purpose, we are going to use Hamachi and Privoxy softwares. Both of them are free and cross-platform, which means you can use it in Windows, in Linux, in macOS, whatever. So Hamachi is a free app that creates a secure and encrypted virtual private network between your computer and the computer that you will use at the same time from the different location. And Privoxy is a free open source web proxy that we are going to use and install to your always on home machine. So let's get started.
First, we will install both softwares in our Windows 10 machine that we will use as a host machine and which will act as our home-based machine. Installing Hamachi is very easy. We will hit next, agree, install, next, and the installation will take a couple of minutes. Launch Hamachi, and at the first run it will take some time to get ready and everything. At the same time we can start installing our Privoxy. So let's get to the Privoxy. Privoxy installation is also very simple and very fast. As you can see, it's a couple of seconds that is required. Okay, for the first time you use, we will create a new network with our individual network ID and password. So network ID will be secure browsing network and password will be some kind of combination. So let's hit create. Our network is created. Let's run Privoxy as administrator. This is very important because we cannot save any changes unless we run as administrator. In Privoxy, go to options, edit main configuration. It will pop up with txt file, config txt file. Look for the listen address line. Change that IP address to your new network's IP address, which is shown at the top of Log Me In Hamachi software. Here we go. Type the IP address and the port will be 8118 as default. After that, you have to save config.txt file and relaunch your Privoxy. Save the file and close Privoxy and open it back. Basically, just relaunch your Privoxy. Once we are done with configuration at our host side, let's go to our client side and set it up. For this tutorial, I've chosen macOS since Hamachi supports both macOS and Windows. So installation process is also very simple here. Once the very fast installation has been completed, it will boot up for the first time. Let's wait for it. When the screen of creating or joining network comes up, we will select join network instead of creating new one because we already have new network. We already had created one. So network ID will be the same as we chosen for our host side and password should be the same as well. After that, we will just hit join button and here we go. As you can see, we are now connected to our host machine, but that's not it. Let's see from our host side. Yes, we are connected to our we have successfully established connection between them. Now let's get to the proxy settings at our client side. For macOS, we will go to System Preferences, Network, Advanced, and Proxies. Here we tick Web Proxy and Secure Web Proxy. For Web Proxy server, we will copy IP address of our host, paste it, and port, as you remember, will be 8118. We will do the same for both secure web proxy and web proxy, and after that we will hit OK button, apply. So now let's restart our browser and go to google.com to see our IP address. Our IP address is ended with AF8A. Let's check with our host site. The IP address of host site is the same, as you can see. So which means we have successfully established secure connection between them. So to see what is our actual IP address, we have to tick out our web proxy and secure web proxy, apply settings, relaunch our web browser, and now we have different IP address. At the same time, you can check our connection with privoxy.org website. Go to privoxy.org and you'll see this, because we just now unticked our web proxy and secure web proxy. So let's tick them back, apply, relaunch our refresh our web page, and as you can see, it shows that our connection is enabled and secure connection is established. If you are running on Windows, you can use Proxy Switchy plugin for Chrome or for any other browser that will allow you to set up privacy settings. Add extension to Chrome, get it ready, and here we go. For manual, we will select manual configuration and set up proxy and port, and just save it. It will work out. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.